Hey guys, welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Thanks for watching. Today we're just going to go over something cool that I found last night. This is the Hot Wheels Mystery Models 2019. This is Series 2, so this will be the newest one that's out right now. Some real cool cars in this one. I think there's only four fantasy castings, so that would be, what, eight real castings, which is pretty good for these mystery models. There's usually a lot of fantasy castings, which I'm not a huge fan of at all, so this was a good series. I picked up 5 out of the 8. I might grab the other 3 later on. They're not really anything I collect or anything too cool, so we're going to go over the 5 that I grabbed out of this series. There's a couple I collect. One's a cool Datsun, so we'll just get into cracking some of these. A little information for anyone who doesn't know. There's 12 cars in these series. And if you look at the back of the bags, because on the front there's no way to tell what car's in which one here. Go to the back of the bag and you flip this little tab over. You'll find a series of numbers here. The L51, that doesn't matter, but the number behind the dash here, 03, coincides with the number on the case. So if you're looking at the box in the store, number 3 will be number 3 on the case. So it's an easy way to identify. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people just blindly go into it and grab cars and then get disappointed it's not the right one. So there's a little cheat for you there. Anyways, we're going to pop this one open, and we got 4 more after this to pop open. So this being a number 3, I believe this will be the Acura NSX. Yep, it is. Yeah, so we're looking at the Acura NSX here. Nice silver paint. Some really cool, real cool designs on there. Nice tampos. Big crazy roof scoop. That's nice. This is a pretty cool casting. I don't mind this at all. Could use some details and some real riders. So the cool thing about these mystery models here is they come with a little sheet here, which on one side I believe has all the cars from the series. Yep. So we got a Huracan Super Trofeo, a Dodge Viper, Acura, which is the one we have here, number 3, the Circle Trucker, which is like a NASCAR truck, Cadillac LMP, BMW M3, Ford GT, Plymouth Superbird, Chevy Impala, which is like another race car type NASCAR one. Got the Ford Fiesta, Datsun 240Z, and an Indy 500. So all pretty cool cars actually. Not bad at all. So we're looking at this one. We're gonna move on now. Oh yes, and they also all come with a cool sticker of the car as well. So something a little different with the mystery bags. Moving on now. Just got our Acura there. So I actually picked this one up, not for me, but for my buddy Ryan. He's a big collector of these Ford GT LMs. Kind of a cool casting. This one's a nice metallic blue, yellow and black tampos on the side and on the top, which is nice. No taillights, but those can be added. Some OH5s those are, sorry. A little brain fart there. Yeah, it's another cool car. So that one won't be staying in the collection. That'll be going over to my buddy Ryan, but again, comes with the paper and it comes with a sticker of the car again as well. Right there. three out here. And this should be, yes, the Ford Fiesta. So this is a casting I actually collect. Started out with the Ken Block Monster ones, the white and the black one. And I slowly just started collecting them all. This one's kind of cool. Not my favorite by any means, but not too bad. Some cool Toyo tires. Got Tampo on the top and the sides. Got the Fiesta, Toyo, the El Segundo Rally. Kind of cool. That'll go up with the rest of them on my wall. I'll get into the next one here. This is going to be number 11, so this will be the Datsun, which I believe will be the one everyone's going to want out of this case. Datsuns are big nowadays, so I don't think there's been one of these put out recently, so it's kind of cool. Nice red, gold wheels. Yeah, it's super nice, actually. Got the hood Tampo, the 240Z on the roof there. No headlights again, but when you get side Tampos and roof Tampos, you hardly ever get the tail lights and the headlights, which is pretty typical. You get 3 Tampos, you're not going to get the headlights and the tail lights with a main line like this. But that's a super nice car. We may do a wheel swap and a detail on that one for the channel, just because it's a Datsun. And then, oh, and again, sticker with this one as well here. Kind of cool. And last but not least, out of the 5 that I got here, this is actually a number 1. So these, technically are considered a chase of these. I don't know. For some reason, the American packages, the number 1s are all blocked out, and they say they're like a super chase, but the Canadian and international ones, they don't say anything about it, so I don't know. One of those advertising gimmicks, I think, because the cars are the same. Like the number 1 car in the American and in the Canadian and international is the same car. It's this Aventador, or not Aventador, sorry, Huracan LP. I believe it's a 640, 620-2 Super Trofeo. So that's a nice car. I like that. You guys will know I'm a big Lambo fan as well as Porsche. So this is cool. Super Trofeos are always nice. Again, it's got the side Tampos. This one does have headlight Tampos and hood Tampos, no roof Tampos, so I'm guessing that's why there's headlights. No tail lights on this, so we'll have to add those in. We'll do a wheel swap on this. This is a super nice car. This one is definitely staying in the family here. Damn. Something about like a satin black. I just love simple black cars. Nothing too crazy. Green, white, and red. I got the Italian colors, so got the green Lamborghini on the wing there. This is a nice car. I like this. A very nice car. Awesome. Yeah. And again, so we're looking at the Super Trofeo LP 620-2. That's a nice car.